This is a key thing to understand, right? When we
Yes.
go and approach something, whether it's an energy, a person, a being, a situation, one of these structures, if we approach them to push them away, there will be a resistance because they haven't done their job, right? It's whatever is there hasn't expressed. We're going in to release them, right? To allow them to express fully so that now they're free. We're going to free them, right? So that's the difference. We're not there. I'm not doing this so that you go away and I can't stand you and I don't want you in my life. It's like, okay, you've been in my life all these years. Let's take a look and see why you're here. Express to me your fullness. Tell me who and what you are. And then I'm ready to release you, you know? And if the other one is like, I'm not really ready to go, yeah, I haven't finished my job, it's because it hasn't fully expressed yet. So we're here to transform those programs and energies, turn them back into source energy, rather than to get rid of them. Because sometimes the process is not to get rid of it. Sometimes part of it stays. We need to explore further and allow it to see or really show us what it is before it's ready to go. All these energies do want to go. It's just that a lot of them have a job here, and it's like we put them there, or we were placed or accepted them or integrated them because they were doing a job. And that's how we are often fooled into integrating fears, because we think that they're doing a job. But so that's part of it. Basically, is we're not doing the exercise to get rid of it, because that makes a resistance, and resistance makes persistence. You know, once we resist to push something away like that, it persists and becomes stronger. That's why resistance to it, or trying to subdue it or ignore it, or trying to push it away, usually doesn't work with these things. Allowing it to express fully, allowing it to exist finally, and looking at it, observing it, allow them to get free, to go away themselves, to want to be transformed back into pure source energy.